Hello everyone and welcome back to Boomtown Speedway, home of the Street Stock Series. We are just about a month away from kicking off Season 4 of the Street Stock Series. As you can see before you on the screen are some of the street stocks that have raced here in the past. To kick off this season, we're going to go ahead and have a pick'em race of some of the cars that are already here. Go ahead and put your pick in the comments and we'll see how it goes. But what we're going to do is after you make your pick, we're going to go ahead and show a qualifying video. Yes, qualifying video of all the cars. Then after we release the qualifying video, we'll also release a 5-lap exhibition race just to get the blood pumping and get everybody excited about street stocks again. So that is a new wrinkle we've added to the Season 4 of the Street Stock Series. We're going to be qualifying each of the entries and only taking the top 32 cars to fill the field. So what we're going to do now is take a look at each of the cars in numerical order and what they weigh so you can have a good idea who you're picking. Up next, the 12 entries. So here we go with our first entry. It's the 00 Ford Crown Victoria coming in at 58.2 grams. Our second entry is the number 1 Pontiac Firebird, weighing in at 54.4 grams. Our next entrant in the 2T is a Ford Torino. This Ford Torino weighs in at 56.8 grams. Next up is the 2C Dodge Charger. This Dodge Charger weighs in at 60.4 grams. 60.4 is legal. I just cannot see 61 or higher for any entry or it will be disqualified. Our next entry in this exhibition race is the number 4 Dodge Challenger. This Dodge Challenger does not meet the rules for this season of the Street Stock Series. The casting cannot be any newer than 1999. This Dodge Challenger weighs in at 59.3 grams. And up next, we have the number 8 Chevy Monte Carlo. This Monte Carlo weighs in at 54.9 grams. Next up, we have the number 9 Pontiac Firebird, weighing in at 58.6 grams. Rolling right along, we have the number 18 Ford Mustang. This Mustang too is illegal because it is younger than 1999. However, for the purposes of this exhibition race, this Mustang weighs in at 57.6 grams. Next up, we have the number 25 Ford Torino, weighing in at 59.6 grams. And our next entry in the number 28 Ford Torino, Killer Kowalski from Season 3, weighing in at 58.8 grams. We are nearly done. The last two might be a little confusing. We got ourselves a 67 Mustang, car number 41, weighing in at 59.8 grams. And now for our final entry, also number 41, also a fastback Mustang, but this one's a 65. He weighs in at a scale-busting 60.9 grams. So that's it. There's your 12 street stocks. Head to the comments, make your pick, and we'll release the qualifying video shortly after. Until then, this is Thomas, one half of the Low Cut and Diecast Racing League, and we're going to see you at the races.